Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning po.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Cristina Alvilla.
How old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have. I have two brothers
And?
and one sister.
And you are the?
I'm the eldest.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have kids?
No,
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
actually, third year high school only.
High school or college?
High school po.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, I have. My experience is school bus attendant in Dubai, UAE. Uh, I have 4 years experience on that company and nothing, no more.
Okay. How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience as a helper?
Yes, I have.
Who is your employer?
Laida Bernabe,
For how long?
2 years.
Okay. What are your main duties with them?
Uh, Taking care of elderly, houseworks, and cooking, washing, and many more.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high salary, I want to earn money to help my family and the future also.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Actually, not really.
But are you willing to learn more?
Yes, of course, I'm willing to do that.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Actually, no, because I don't have children.
Okay, how about an elder person?
Yes, I can.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
A good manner and teach them especially the assignment from the school and feed them food and what?
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Uh, yeah.
Can you give an example?
The wheel on the bus. The wheel on the bus goes. No, no. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay, what kind of employer are you looking for?
A good employer, understanding, and respectable.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, I love pets.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am hardworking, trustworthy person, and good manner.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Yeah. Hi, madam. Good day. I hope you give a chance as your helper, and I promise I can do all the houseworks, and I'll do my best, my very best.
Okay,
That's
can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, of course, I promise.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you so much.